Okay, so hello fam. Only recording this so that you guys get to know the OG raw conditions, which I want it to be the way it should be. Just like I'll just shut up here. Okay, so see, there's literally no space here, and I am 5'8". Okay, so for me to put myself in this space was just cutting myself into a 3/4 of piece. So yeah, but I did it and I tried getting the best pictures. Only recording this because I want to tell myself that it's going to be difficult because it's a journey so extraordinary and a vision so beautiful that I don't think anyone can understand, and I would want it to be something very personal to me. So, yeah, keeping all of that in mind, and yeah, I mean, just willing to put it out there that it's not just about clicking pictures, or it's not just about getting ready, getting to wear good clothes, getting to have brand deals. Oh my god, it's so much more. I have to create one more commercial, but I have been putting a large number of thought in it for the past 2 or 3 weeks. I mean, just the ideation to just get the mood board right was the, I don't know, it all began from there. And yeah, I mean, it is more about my creativity more than what it can be about just putting up pictures, clicking aesthetic videos. No, it's not that. It is every shot, every frame thoughtfully put out there, provoking your senses and whatnot. So yeah, I think I'll probably be uploading this video somewhere. I'd recorded this as a very personal what can I say, memory, but yeah, I think I'm gonna put it out in open for everyone to know, so that even when I am at my worst and I feel I can't keep up with this anymore, I'll just know I don't want to give up because I look so beautiful, obviously. And why would I give up? It's my vision, it's something I saw for myself, and I believe in it as crazy as it sounds for anyone. So yeah, and yeah, this video was just meant to record the shortage of space I had, and yet I was sleeping and clicking pictures because I wanted that window silhouette to fall on my face. So yeah, there it is. I did that, and this is my first ever video that I'm making, documenting for it to be for people around me, so that yeah. And also, the one thing that I would really love to hear every single time I am beating myself up is I am proud of you. So yeah, for everyone out there who is working on what fulfills their soul, I'm really proud of you guys. Really, really proud of you guys. And I mean, this was such a random video, I'm running late, I have work to do, but leaving everything aside, I decided to just go on and talk and talk and talk because that's what I love doing. Oh my god, I can't believe I have actually recorded a video and I'm gonna put it out there somewhere. Okay. But yeah, I mean, guys, just in case you have lasted so long, and if you are still listening, the one thing that I wanted to say was, please do something that you would love, and okay, I've forgotten my lines. I forgot a lot. I'll be talking about something, and next 10 seconds into the speech, I'll forget what my line was, and it will be something so good, so deep, so something out of the textbook, but I would have completely forgotten about it. Yeah, okay. I think I'm just loving my voice. I'm loving how I look. I'm loving everything about this. So, yeah, but yeah, this video is gonna come out there for you guys. So, in case you're still watching, I'm proud of you. Whatever you're doing, keep going, keep creating, and believe in your superpower, because I believe in that and I would want you to believe in that. So, yeah, hoping for the best. And I am only recording this again because I wanted to show myself that I had started from zero. I had started when I have literally nothing, just this some random things that I got over the period, putting it up all together, trying to create a piece for my audience, myself, and having a vision to create something 10x bigger, 10x beautiful, 10x creative, and yeah, reminding myself that I am meant for glamour and I'll be there. I am coming for you, destiny. I am. Bye bye.